like and share.
Episode 50, Saint Athanasius the Apostolic's Miracles. Once upon a time, there lived a kind and courageous man named Saint Athanasius. He was known as the 20th Pope of Alexandria and was greatly loved by the people. But his faith and teachings were tested when Emperor Constantius, the son of the righteous Emperor Constantine, began following the teachings of Arius, who believed that the Son was not equal to the Father. Emperor Constantius, wanting to enforce this belief, appointed a man named Gawargios to replace Saint Athanasius as the patriarch of Alexandria. Gawargios arrived in the city with 500 horsemen and tried to spread the teachings of Arius. However, only a few people accepted his words, and many remained faithful to Saint Athanasius. In his anger and frustration, Gawargios began killing those who refused to obey him. Saint Athanasius knew he had to protect his people, so he went into hiding for 6 long years. But his love for his flock and his unwavering faith kept burning in his heart. After those 6 years, Saint Athanasius decided it was time to take action. He journeyed to the city of Constantinople and pleaded with Emperor Constantius to either restore him to his position or allow him to become a martyr for his beliefs. However, the emperor, wanting to rid himself of Saint Athanasius, ordered his men to place him in a small boat and cast him into the sea without any provisions or guidance. The emperor believed that Saint Athanasius would either die of hunger and thirst or drown in the vast ocean. Little did he know that the Lord was watching over his faithful servant. Angels surrounded the boat, caring for Saint Athanasius and guiding him safely to his beloved city of Alexandria. When the news spread that their shepherd had returned, the people rejoiced. They lit candles, sang songs of praise, and rushed to greet Saint Athanasius. Together, they entered the church and expelled Gawargios and his followers, reclaiming their faith and unity. In honor of this miraculous event, Saint Athanasius declared that day a great feast to the Lord. The people celebrated with gratitude and joy, giving thanks for the return of their beloved Pope. At the end of the story, children can learn several important lessons. First, they learn about the power of faith and perseverance. Saint Athanasius faced many challenges but never wavered in his beliefs. He remained faithful to his people and trusted in God's guidance and protection. Second, they learn the value of courage. Despite the dangers he faced, Saint Athanasius boldly stood up for what he believed in and was willing to sacrifice his life for the truth. His bravery serves as an inspiration for children to be courageous in the face of adversity. Lastly, they learn about the importance of unity and standing up against falsehood. The people of Alexandria remained steadfast in their support of Saint Athanasius and rejected the teachings of Arius. They understood the significance of staying true to their faith and working together as a community. Through this story, children can grasp the idea that faith, courage, and unity can overcome even the greatest challenges. They learn that miracles can happen, and that God always watches over those who trust in Him.
See you again soon. Subscribe, like and share.